Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay? So yes, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun na rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And yeah, if you're interested sa atin pong all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, so ito siya. Okay, this is available in red and black strings. And yeah, ito ang ating Evil Eye ring. Oh, ito yan. Ito siya. Okay, so ito yan. This is adjustable. Okay, yeah, adjustable po yan. And yes, ito naman ang ating, yung ngayon ko lang inilabas, no? Na ating Evil Eye necklace. Ang ganda niyan. So, yes. 'Di ba? And partner sila niyan dahil meron silang parehong color blue stone sa gitna. Oh, yan, 'di ba? You know. Yeah, ang ganda. Anyway. So, yeah, if you're interested and may mga katanungan pa kayo na gusto pang masagot, just message me, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info po. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Okay, ano ang message for you? Okay. Some of you, merong kailangang hintayin or talagang kailangan ng mahaba ang pasensya. Okay. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay, so here's a delay. What's with that? Oh, the Ten of Wands. Okay, so pwedeng may something madidelay dahil sobrang daming gawain. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong parang nagpapabigat sa sitwasyon, kaya hindi mo magawa yung mga gusto mong gawin. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. They're like a burden pagdating sa'yo. Okay? May mga pasanin. Iba sa inyo. Parang hindi nyo tuloy magawa yung gusto nyong gawin because of days pasanin, kung ano man. Okay? Responsibilities na hindi naman dapat gawing responsibilidad like that. Okay? Or may mga nagbibigay lang talaga ng pasanin sa inyo. Some of you, hindi ka makamove on dahil hindi ka pa rin ready, or sabihin natin may mga chance na may parang hindi umaalis sa energy mo. So, ang resulta niyan, delay. Okay? Some of you, may iwan. Okay? Pagdating sa travel, something, may iwan. Gamit mo, bag mo. Yes. Okay. The Hierophant in reverse. Or, ito some of you hindi makakalis dahil hindi pwede. Ang daming responsibilities. Okay. The Hierophant in reverse, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Someone is afraid na mag-commit. Libra, Cancer. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may matatakot na mag-commit or lumabas sa comfort zone. Yes, parang ganyan. May mapapagalitan ng boss, ng teacher. Okay? May makakapag-commit ng hindi maganda. May haharap sa kaso. Okay? Or may haharaping kaso. Lalo na pagdating sa mga legal, yun nga, pagdating sa mga relationship, like annulment, mga ganyan, legalizations, okay? So, merong uurong sa kasal. Yes. The Knight of Pentacles, okay? And the Page of Pentacles in reverse. So, pagdating sa kaperahan, nandyan yung parang slow moving, o yung frequency. Okay, pagdating sa kaperahan ninyo, in general, kailangan may baguhin po, ha? Kasi there's a lot of delay. There is a lot of delay. Pwede kasing hindi nababago yung processes. I don't know, like, okay? Meron kailangan baguhin. Maglagay ko ng bagong pakulo. Parang ganun. Bagong pakulo. Gawa tayo ng bagong pakulo. Parang ganyan. Mag-iisip ng bagong plan. Like that. Okay? May naiinip dito. Yeah, may naiinip pagdating sa progress. Pwedeng Sagittarius. Okay. So, next. Oops. Next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ano ang message for you? Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Five of Pentacles in reverse. The Four of Pentacles. There is commitments coming. Okay? Some of you may mga bibilihin. Yeah. Nakakita ko ng peace offering. Meron ditong peace offering. Okay. May bibilihin para magkaayos. Parang ganyan. No? Pwedeng earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. May aayusin, may babayaran, may i-fix. Iba sa inyo. The Magician. The Temperance Universe. Some of you, there's a Sagittarius here or a Virgo, Taurus. Ang pwedeng atat na makausap ka na. Okay? Yeah. The Star. Some of you, they're manifesting you. Okay? Ooh, yung iba rito ha, may gumagawa ng ritual, may nagpaparitual, may bumabayad. Yes. Okay. Anyway. What else for you, fire signs? Yeah, the Six of Swords in reverse. Energy ng comeback, energy ng pagbabalik, or energy ng something na pwedeng mayroon ditong nahihirapang umusad. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. May pagbabalik. With this air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, meron ditong Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So, energy kasi na pwedeng ayaw maging miss opportunity ito. So, gagawa ng paraan. Meron ditong gumagawa ng paraan. Pwedeng earth sign, Sagittarius, air sign, na talagang lahat gagawin, mapabalik ka lang, or vice versa. Okay? May nagbabayad for what? Pagkakausap. Sana magkausap kami. Ritualan mo, ganto, ganyan. Gusto ko magkausap kami. Yan. Okay? Gusto ko bumalik siya. Gawan mo ng paraan. Babayad ako kahit magkano. Yan. Okay? I don't know. Kasi hindi naman tayo nagawa niyan. Okay. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Okay. Anong messages for you, water signs? The Three of Wands. Expectations. Oh, some of you may darating na malaking pera. Magandang balita or balita pagdating sa pera. Ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo, may pagpaplano dito pagdating sa isang business, pag-open. Or some of you, pwedeng papasok sa isang business or papasukin ang pagbibusiness. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng lalargang, malayo, doon magtatrabaho, pwedeng somewhere foreign land, mga ganyan. Okay? So, there. There's a new beginning coming. Okay? Some of you, there is a promotion. Yeah. Leveling up. Okay? Oh, see? The Empress. Some of you expecting na maging preggy bells. Oh, preggy. Pregnant. Okay? Mm-hmm. The Empress. The King of Cups in reversed. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong parang may nagpo-progress, no? Or sabihin natin someone is nurturing someone. Okay? May nag-nurture and ang nakuha ko is itong taong to is nagbibigay lahat-lahat and pwedeng nasasamantala yon. Okay? Nasasamantala. Yung iba rito, pwedeng alam niyo yung ano, nalimutan ko yung term. Pwedeng maging preggy, like babayad ng malaki, kahit walang, yes, kachok-chakanis. Oh, ang tawag sa ganun, hindi ko matandaan yung term. Oh, pang mayaman yun eh. Okay. Oo, hindi ko alam, di tayo mayaman. Okay. So, yeah, may ganyan ako nakikita in the near future para sa iba sa inyo. Okay, iniisip ko talaga. I'm sorry. Ang tawag sa ganun. Oo. Next. The Eight of Swords. There's sabihin natin parang may lihim na pagbubuntis dito, ha? Okay? Or someone's emotion is being hidden. Okay. Yeah, the King of Swords. Meron ditong nakatagong katotohanan. Pero, yes, darating ang oras na lalabas at lalabas. Okay, ang katotohanan. May mga sikreto rito. Pero darating ang panahon na lalabas ito. Malalaman, makikita. Okay? So, yeah, see? Iba sa inyo na there's an air sign here na parang may tinatago. I don't know kung ano to. Gusto ko i-clarify. Sige, clarify natin. Diba? Oo. Ano tong Eight of Swords? The Page of Wands Universe. Na they want your attention. Okay. Some of you, itong taong ito, sabihin natin, gustong-gusto ka nito, no? Gusto niya nandyan yung sabihin natin, maging legal kayo. I think, some of you, if you're in a connection na parang tago, eventually, in the near future, may chance na maging legal na. Or sabihin natin, ipakilala, parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Iba rito, pwedeng nasa isang like, same gender relationship. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng ipapakilala na or ibubunyag na. Okay. So, there. Next. Next is Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. How are you? Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Ano ang message for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Earth signs? Okay, kunin natin yung dalawang yun, nalaglag. Okay, ano to? The Five of Swords. What's with that? The Empress in reversed. Okay. So, I'm seeing here something may nakakagulo pagdating sa growth mo. Okay? May nakakagulo. Parang may something na nagbibigay or someone na nagbibigay ng conflict. Okay? Iba sa inyo, parang may something na parang problem regarding connections in general. Okay? Conflict with a mother. Arguments with a father figure. Okay. The King of Wands in reversed. The Eight of Cups. Okay. Meron ditong ano ha, I'm seeing here a person na talagang something like, they're like passionate lang naman, no? Passionate or physically attracted pagdating sa'yo. And, yeah, nakikita ko nagpo-pursue ito. Okay? Ang nakikita ko kasi pwedeng mag-progress yon. So, kung ngayon, ang nakikita kong connection sa inyo is something like, parang walang seryosohan. Eventually, like, magkakaroon ng sabihin nating leveling up, no? Someone is magiging responsible na sa kung anong connection meron kayo, kasi pwedeng mag-start lang ito as like flirt, okay? Flirt, and then eventually, level up. Magkakaseryosohan. Okay? Ito. Okay, from this to this. Okay. Some of you need to avoid a fire sign, especially Sagittarius. I'm sorry. Okay, pero that's specific. Okay. What else? Some of you may chance na magkaroon ng progress pagdating sa pagmamanage. Kung anong i-manage mo, mas magiging marami. Okay. What else? Yeah, justice. Justice. This is balance. This is fairness. Okay? And the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. There's like ups and downs. No? Kung nandyan kayo like rocky, shaky situation, I think magiging okay din naman. Okay? Some of you may mga mabibigyang hustisya pagdating sa mga nawalang bagay. No, I think pwedeng maibalik, pwedeng makita uli, pwedeng makuha muli. Okay? Some of you, nandyan yung pwede sabihin nating magfa-file ng case, no? Yung iba sa inyo, magbabayad ng attorney, kung ano man. Okay? Kung kailangang idaan sa legal actions, gawin ninyo hanggat alam nyo na sa tama. Okay? Doon tayo sa tama. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Legalizations, may babayad for legalizations, mga ganyan. May magbibigay, meron ditong ma-approve, parang ganyan. Child support, makapagbigay ng child support. That's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so yun lang ang akin nakikita. Iba sa inyo ha, ito. I think there's a fire sign or air sign na akala mo hindi siya yung makakatuluyan mo, pero yun ang makakatuluyan mo. And yes, that's specific. Okay, a fire sign and an air sign or pwedeng Libra. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you. All signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.